tonight. As you might imagine, a dire situation for tens of thousands of people across Puerto Rico. WPTV's Joe Lopez spoke with a man writing out the aftermath of Hurricane Fiona. And Joe, what did he have to say about what he and so many others are having to endure, and of course the memories he's reliving?
That's right, honey. A man named Carlos from Puerto Rico says he's been without power since Saturday, and after living through Hurricane Maria 5 years ago, he says time is of the essence as he's running out of supplies.
5 years after Hurricane Maria devastated Puerto Rico, Hurricane Fiona left its mark.
The
most concerning thing is people that have lost their homes, their belongings. The roads are dangerous. You can't drive through them. Some parts are still flooded.
For Carlos Alveillet, from the northern part of the island, he says Maria's winds packed a punch, but Fiona's rains were much worse.
There was too much rain. It was persistent rain. It's been more than 24 hours and it's still raining. Right now I can go outside and still get wet because it's raining.
Alveillet is one of over 1 million people in Puerto Rico powerless. In West Palm Beach, Alveillet's family is happy they can still communicate with him, bringing flashbacks to Hurricane Maria.
It was kind of a little hard for us over here because there was no way to send anything over there because the post offices, they were all shut down. So they will start running out of food and everything. So I'm afraid that this happened again.
The Rivera's own El Matamunchis, which they say 80% of their staff is people that fled Puerto Rico 5 years ago after that storm, and say it's time for the community to come together again to help those impacted by Fiona.
It's important because you got people that it's livelihood. You know, you got people right now that probably can't cook, people that are probably live in poverty on the island that, you know, they're probably saying, how are we going to eat? You know, just like Edgardo just said, people are waiting in line for hours and hours just for fuel.
Right now, staff with the restaurant say they're collaborating with nearby businesses to start a fundraiser and collect supplies to help those in need in Puerto Rico. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, Joel Lopez, WPTV News Channel 5.